budget and schedule are probably some of the most common examples, but there's other types of risk too. So we can talk about performance, like is the project actually going to get the return on investment that we thought it would when we undertook this project? Is the market going to change? Is our competitive landscape going to change significantly during the project? That's going to maybe impact whether or not this project should go forward. There might be operational risks. So no offense, project management, but maybe the project management isn't so hot. Maybe the efficiency of some of the internal processes and being able to access the right people is not really great. So there's definitely operational type risks. There's governance risks. And when we talk about governance risks, we can talk about oftentimes we're talking about like executive leadership and people like that are, are they really approving something, authorizing something correctly? Or strategic risks, maybe the strategy of the company changes or alters, and that impacts whether or not the project is going to either have the result that's expected and or make sense or needs to get changed. There's also legal risks as an example. One other risk that I didn't fit in here, and it's pretty much because it was an 8 and I like things that are symmetrical, but we're talking about legal risks, not legal risk, we're talking about kind of safety or just kind of external factor risks. So I mean, in Vermont, I'm in Vermont right now, and, flooding risks or a natural disaster risk is a good example of that. So these are some types of project risks, and we'll be digging into some of these when we talk about examples of mitigating risks and things a little bit later.